In this video, I will show you how to do some reflections across some lines other than just the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line y equals x, or even y equals negative x. Having said that, let's start with reflecting over the line y equals negative x, just as a review. So we've learned and memorized that the rule for this reflection is that a generic point x comma y will become the point opposite of y, opposite of x. So that's probably going to be the easiest way to do a reflection over the line y equals negative x. So if I apply that rule, opposite of y, opposite of x here, the opposite of y is negative 3. The opposite of x is negative 5. The opposite of y is negative 4. The opposite of x is positive 2. The opposite of y is 1, and the opposite of x is negative 2. Let's graph these. So negative 3, negative 5 is going to be about here. And then negative 4, 2 is going to be here. And 1, negative 2 is going to be here. All right, so that was A prime, B prime, and C prime. Okay, so by the way, let me remind you that the line y equals negative x is a diagonal line going downhill. So that's going to look like this. And that's useful to know because you can just mentally double check your work and see that these two images are mirror images of each other over this diagonal line. Okay, now, so if I want to reflect across the line x equals negative 2, when you have a line of the form x equals some number, that is going to be a vertical line. So this is going to be a vertical line at negative 2. Let's draw that. All right, so this is the reflection line that we're talking about. So the easiest thing to do is to just do this visually. So look at point A. That's 3 units to the right of this line. So I'm going to go 3 units to the left, and that will be A prime. Point B is right on the line, so it's not going to move. Point C, again, is 3 units to the right, so I'm going to go 3 units to the left. All right, so that will give me my A prime, B prime, and C prime. Okay, so you can see that these are mirror images of each other over this vertical line. And so they want us to complete the table. We can just use the graph for that. So A prime is here at negative 5, 5. And B prime didn't move, so it will still be negative 2, 1. And C prime is here at negative 5, negative 1. All right. Now, looking at this picture, where is the reflection line? So the reflection line seems to be right through here. Okay, this is the line that forms a mirror image for the two triangles. So this is a horizontal line. So when you have a line that's of the form y equals something, that is going to be a horizontal line. So you have to memorize that. So this horizontal line at 3 is the line y equals 3. So that is the reflection line. Okay, so we can just get the a prime, b prime, and c prime off of the graph. The point C is on the line, so C prime is not going to be any different. It won't move when it's on the line. A prime is right here at 2, 2. And B prime is here at -1, 1. All right, now looking at this picture, see if you can guess where the reflection line is. Where is the line that sort of splits this image right down the middle? All right, so it's going to be a vertical line that's right here. So this is the reflection line that causes these two triangles to be mirror images of each other over this line. Now, we discussed that a vertical line is always going to be of the form x equals the number. So this is a vertical line at 2. So this is going to be x equals 2 that we are reflecting over. And again, we can just pull the ordered pairs of the image right off of the graph. A prime is here at -1, 2. B prime is at 0, -2. And C prime is here at 1, 4.